Are you tired of pests ruining your tomato plants? Frustrated with the constant battle to keep those pesky intruders at bay? Well, take a deep breath and get ready to reclaim your garden, because today we're diving into the world of organic pest control for your tomato plants. First off, what does organic pest control mean? Simply put, it's about using natural methods and substances to prevent and combat pests, rather than resorting to synthetic pesticides. It's a safer, more environmentally friendly way to keep your tomato plants flourishing. To get started, we need to know our enemy. Common pests for tomatoes include aphids, tomato hornworms, and cutworms. These little critters can wreak havoc on your plants, but don't worry, there are organic ways to keep them at bay. Step 1. Introduce beneficial insects. Yes, you heard it right, not all bugs are bad. Ladybugs, spiders, and lacewings are nature's little soldiers. They prey on those pesky aphids and other harmful pests. You can attract them to your garden by planting flowers and herbs such as marigolds, dill, and fennel. Step 2. Use organic pesticides. If the pests are already in full swing, organic pesticides are your next line of defense. Neem oil, for instance, is a great choice. It's derived from the neem tree and is lethal to many pests, yet it's safe for beneficial insects and your plants. Step 3. Practice crop rotation. This means changing the location of your tomato plants each year. This strategy can disrupt the life cycle of pests and diseases, giving your plants a better chance of thriving. Step 4. Use homemade traps. A simple trap can be made using yellow plastic cups coated with petroleum jelly. Many pests are attracted to the color yellow and will get stuck when they land on the cup. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. Regularly check your plants for signs of pests and remove them manually if possible. So, to summarize, organic pest control for tomato plants involves knowing your enemy, introducing beneficial insects, using organic pesticides, practicing crop rotation, and setting up homemade traps. It's not just about saving your tomato plants, it's about creating a healthier and more balanced ecosystem in your garden. So why not give it a try? You might be surprised by the results. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this guide useful and are ready to take the natural route in protecting your tomato plants. Until next time, happy gardening.